Hi, my name is Matthias, and in this video I will dive into the purpose of the reality phase in the GROW model. Whether you are an experienced coach or just starting out, there are 5 vital aspects other sources rarely mention, but you need to know to master the reality phase. With these aspects in mind and practice, you will help your clients reach their full potential. Now, it's time for you to pay full and undivided attention, and I will start right away. What's up coaches, Matthias here. This video is about the purpose of the reality phase and the 5 aspects you need to know to manage this phase of the GROW model. The purpose of the reality phase is to raise your client's self-awareness about their current situation, including any obstacles or challenges they may facing. And here are the 5 essential aspects you need to take care of during the reality phase. Number 1, what reality really means here. Keep in mind it's about your client's reality and not yours. And reality means their current state, which includes both past and present. And there is usually no need to dive into childhood experiences. And if so, the GROW model isn't the right tool for it. Number 2, when and how to use the reality phase in GROW. Some coaches even skip the reality phase and go directly from the session goal to the options phase. Alternatively, you can use the reality phase to help your clients explore their current state and use it as a foundation for the development of goals on different levels, including the session goal. My recommendation here is, when your clients haven't yet defined a session goal, use the reality phase to help them explore their current state and then use it as a starting point for the development of goals on different levels, including the session goal. But when the session goal is precisely defined, use the reality phase to help your clients explore their current circumstances, obstacles, limitations, and of course their strengths and resources that may be available. And that all in the context of the previously defined goals, the session goal in particular. The purpose of this is to raise their self-awareness about their current state to have a well-informed options phase. Number 3. Compel precise and descriptive answers. You need to design your questions in a way that your clients produce very precise and descriptive answers. Ask questions starting with what, when, where, who, how much, how often, and also ask for more perspectives like, what do your colleagues think about this situation? Or what does your wife, your best friend, etc. think? Ask them to be aware of what is not in this situation and what's missing. Number 4, manage keeping your clients stay on track. You should be inclined to follow the interest or chain of thoughts of your coaching clients while at the same time monitoring how that relates to the subject as a whole. If your clients move far off the track, you may ask, to what extent does this relate to XYZ? And XYZ is then what they have just talking about, the goal, the problem, the tension, etc. Use their words. Number 5, how to move on to the options phase. At the end of the reality phase, find the right moment to move to the options phase. After asking what they have done already to achieve their goals and what they haven't done yet, you can move on by asking, what are additional ways you can think of in achieving your session goal? You can also ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, are you ready to work on possible ways forward achieving your session goal? If the answer is between 8 and 10, move on. If the answer is less than 8, ask what else they want to explore in reality to make it a 9 or 10. Coaches, keeping these 5 aspects in mind and practice will help you to manage the reality phase according to its purpose. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. My name is Matthias, and I'll see you back soon here on Who Coaches, This is Coaching.